I think it's just going to be like any other normal off day. Might just have a plan to go out with friends or something like that. But let's see. Yeah, so my last trip was in December, and it was one of the best trips I have ever had. Me and my friend, I'm not eating anything on the set. I'll eat whatever I want to eat in the room. Like, I'll wash my hands properly and then eat. Like, it's a whole process, yaar. Like, it's a long process to follow, and just keep on sanitizing your everything.
Hi Heli, welcome to Eastern Eye.
Hi, thank you so much.
And first of all, Happy New Year to you and your family.
Thank you, and Happy New Year to you too.
So Heli, we all know that 2020 wasn't a great year for everyone.
Yeah.
So how would you sum up the experience of 2020 for yourself?
For me, I think it was nice. And any which ways, I don't have this habit of complaining and cribbing a lot. So I'm okay, I was okay with everything that happened. I think it just had to come and teach us a lot of things, and I think it was an experience for all of us, a different experience, and we could see a different aspect altogether in our busy lives. So yeah, for me, I think it was just normal.
So what are your plans for New Year's Eve or the day of New Year? What do you usually do which won't be happening this time because of the pandemic?
See, I'm any which is a very boring person. Like, I say this every time, that I am not that very a very fun person, or somebody who would have like a lot of plans to do. So I honestly have no idea. We are going to have offs, but I honestly have no idea that what am I going to do. I think it's just going to be like any other normal off day. Might just have a plan to go out with friends or something like that, but let's see.
Right. So I would like to know that what one thing that you did in 2019 couldn't do in 2020, but you hope that you would get to do that in 2021.
See, 2019 we didn't there was no lockdown. In 20 there was like a lockdown and stuff, so things were a little different, but I don't know. I mean, maybe I socialized a little less in 2020, and everybody did actually. So I'm really hoping that 2021 gets us back on the track. And yeah, 2020 I didn't travel to anywhere, like kahin par bhi, never. So I had plans, but I was like, this is not very necessary for me at this point of time. I can avoid this, and it's better that right now I focus on things that are more important. I can travel later in my life, for 2021 obviously. So when things are a little better and little less scarier, so yeah, I did travel.
I think last year you were in Rajasthan, Jaisalmer.
Yeah, so my last trip was in December, and it was one of the best trips I have ever had. Me and my friend, it was a very impromptu trip, like a 5-day 6-day trip, but it was so beautiful, it was so amazing. So yeah, I mean, that was my last trip in 2019, and then there was no chance of going anywhere.
So basically, even I was there. We even crossed paths, but I didn't want to disturb you on your vacation.
Really?
I was there at Jaisalmer. You were around in Jaisalmer Fort. Even I was there, and I was also with a friend. I told her that, see, that's Haley. She's like, oh yeah. I was like, no, let's not disturb her because she's on a vacation. So enjoy.
Oh my god. No, so yeah, Jaisalmer also we had so much fun, and even Jodhpur, for that matter. Like, it was a really nice trip.
So Heli, how has been this experience of shooting during the pandemic? I'm sure it would be different from what earlier you guys
Of
used to do.
course, quite different, because like initially when we started in June, there were like really limited people. Abhi to we still have a little bit, our crew has extended, but that time, and it was really scary when we started off, like June, July. At that time actually there was a lot of fear among people. Abhi kya ho raha hai that people are like, you know what, just ignore it, and just like people are a little liberal towards the situation, which they shouldn't. But abhi right now the situation is like that, because situation वैसी ही है. It's not gone better or something like that. So but yeah, it's scary. Like you have to be alert all the time, and you have to be where are you touching? You're not touching anywhere on the face, or just not randomly eating anything. Pehle what used to happen, that somebody's eating something, maybe say biscuit, and without sanitizing or without washing hands, we would just like, you're such your mind is not so much alert that time. But now, like, I was always, I'm not eating anything on the set. I'll eat whatever I want to eat in the room. Like, I'll wash my hands properly and then eat. Like, it's a whole process, yaar. Like, it's a long process to follow, and just keep on sanitizing your everything, be it your makeup pouch, and your even if something falls down, I'm like scared. No, I have to sanitize it. Like, it's that kind of trauma that we're dealing with. But yeah, I mean, this is it. You can't just complain and just be like, it's the situation. You have to deal with it, and that's it.
Right. So last year in 2019, we saw you in Sufyana Pyar Mera, which was, we got to see you doing something in a negative zone, and everyone loved it. Including my mom had become your fan because she loved that kind of part which you played. And right now also Ishq Mein Mar Jawa 2 is always there on TV. I mean, we watch it on time whenever it's there. So I want to know, did you enjoy playing that negative part, and do you wish that you get to play such characters more?
Yeah, I definitely enjoy that part, because that was my first negative character that I was playing. Uske pehle I'd always played, and I'm still playing positive. So when negative, you have a change, and there are less limitations. Like, you can do so many more things. So it was a very challenging character, and I really enjoyed it.
So Heli, of course, a lot of television actors are entering into Bollywood as well as OTT space. So do you have any such plans?
Yeah, of course, but not right now. Like, I have, I wish to be a, that I get a nice web series or something like that. So why not? I mean, you have so many opportunities right now. Like, there are so many platforms. So I really want to explore all of those things.
Right. So lastly, Heli, before we wind up, do you want to give a message to all your fans who will be watching this interview?
I mean, this, it's always so repetitive. They might find it, like, yeah, she says the same thing every time, but I don't know what else to say, because I know that the kind of support and the kind of love that they all give me, I mean, I could never imagine, that I would get something like this in my life. And I am really so grateful that I have all those people in my life who are always supporting and always, like, appreciating small things, like the things that I don't even notice. So it's always so good to see all the messages, and just the feeling that you have so many people just जो आपके बारे में अच्छा सोच रहे हैं, and who are giving you blessings, and who are just wishing the best and the good for you. So thank you so much to everybody, and thank you for all the love and all the support, and everything that you all do for me. I think it just means so much to me. That's
It was really nice chatting with you, Heli, and all the best for all your future projects. And Ishq Mein Mar Jawa 2 is going great. We all are watching it.
Thank you so much. Please keep watching our show, and everybody's working so hard. You know, this is pandemic that we're dealing with, but we all are working very hard. So please keep watching the show and give us all your love.
Okay, bye. Take care.
Bye. Thank you. Take care. It was lovely talking to you.
Same here.
Bye.